Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. It's been a couple of months since my last video, but here we are now. Anybody ever remember that? I grew up Catholic, so you know, you had to go to confession, and even if you didn't do anything wrong, you had to make up something. That's tough. But the real question is it ever really too hot for coffee? And the answer is no. It's never too hot for coffee. So, what is that old saying? The best laid plans of mice and men can sometimes go awry, or something like that. You know, everybody always says the best laid plans of mice and men. That means if you had everything all planned out and everything was perfect, that something would screw it up. Well, you know, here we are. The last video that you saw was probably, what is this, the end of June? The last video was probably about the middle of April, and I was down in Vero Beach at Vero Camp. Really nice place. And we were really preparing to travel and do some other stuff, and you know, I was going to take Florida Boy Survival on the road. And I still want to do that, but you know, those best laid plans of mice and men, wife developed a few health concerns, so we had to come back to where we live, which is Melbourne, Florida. I was lucky enough to find a pretty long-term site to put my RV on, so now we're nice and comfortable there while she gets all that sorted out. You know, nothing serious. It just makes it harder to travel, you know. Then you know, plus I kind of wanted to be closer to my dad. He's 89 years old. His name is Mickey. Everybody say hi to Mickey. You know, I kind of wanted to be closer to him, you know, because he's getting up there. Then a couple of weeks ago, my mom passed away, so I lost my mom. So I said, you know, screw it. We're gonna sit here for the rest of the year in our nice comfy RV, and I'm gonna start doing videos in my old swamp. You saw me back there fishing. I didn't catch anything. The water's really, really high. We've been getting a lot of rain in the last couple of weeks, but there you go. It's always fun fishing, and where they say the worst day fishing is better than the best day working. Well, you got that right. You know, I don't know whether you can hear it on the camera microphone, but it's pretty breezy. The breeze right in my face, and I'm kind of in the shade, and it's really not that bad. There's a big old helicopter that flew right over me coming in, and all I could think of was, get to the chopper! But this is a nice little rig. Here's my, and I wanted to do a little cooking, just heat up some coffee on my little canteen cup stove rig. This is really cool. All I did was bend a couple of pieces of hanger wire so that I could put it across my canteen cup stove, and I got this cool little, like, real short tin can stove that I made. It only holds about an ounce of alcohol, so it'll only burn for about, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 minutes. But you know, these things burn really, really hot, and that works really, really good. It sits right underneath the canteen cup stove, and you know, I I got a good rig. I got my old faithful belt rig that I've been cheating on with some of my other backpacks and everything, so it got to go out on a little hike with me today, and ain't nothing better than stopping and getting some coffee. Even though it's instant coffee, the only cream I had today was that creamer from an old MRE, and you know, while it turns the coffee, you know, cream color, it don't taste too good. So here I am again, update video. It's on a Monday morning. Pretty nice. It's hot, but I got a breeze, and I apologize, everybody. You know, I was supposed to be traveling places and doing videos and emailing y'all and getting together with all y'all and doing some Canteen Cup Tuesdays, but you know, things got kind of screwed up. But hey, now I'm back in my old swamp. I mean, it feels like being in my backyard here. So here we go. Get ready for some more Canteen Cup Tuesdays. Today is Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. And I got the Canteen Cup Tuesday in mind. I'm probably not going to come out in the woods and do it, but you know the old saying, you know, just be able to duplicate it out in the woods. I got a couple other video ideas, you know, a couple of firearm videos that I want to do, that I want to show you. One is possibly the best trail gun that I've come up with. Another one is an old Korean War issue rifle that I think you'll find interesting. Couple of firearm reviews. I'm constantly rotating my gear around. It's kind of tough because I have a lot of it in storage, but I'm constantly rotating my gear around and developing some new belt rigs, and I'll be sure to show you guys that. But let's trying to get back in the swing of it, so let's get rolling with some more videos this summer. I apologize that I've been out for a little while, but yeah, hey, you know, those best laid plans of mice and men. So here we go on a quiet, meditative walk through nature, as the commercial says. I propose a quiet, meditative walk through nature. There's nothing better than coffee, even if it's instant coffee. So I'm glad to be back, watching more videos to come very shortly. And until next time, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.